Welcome to an in-depth overview of Mercado Bitcoin, Brazil's premier cryptocurrency exchange. If you're new to the world of crypto, Mercado Bitcoin is the perfect platform to start trading and investing. With its intuitive interface, robust trading tools, and secure wallet integration, it caters to beginners and experienced traders alike. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. When you visit Mercado Bitcoin, you'll notice a clean and user-friendly dashboard. Start by signing up with your email address and setting up a secure password. After verifying your account, you can easily deposit funds via PX, bank transfers, or even cryptocurrencies from other wallets. The platform supports a wide array of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins. Once your funds are deposited, navigate to the trading section, where you can buy and sell crypto. The charts and analytical tools provided by Mercado Bitcoin are ideal for understanding market trends and making informed decisions. If you're interested in investing long-term, Mercado Bitcoin offers a wallet feature where you can safely store your assets. Plus, their partnership with blockchain technology ensures the highest level of security for your investments. Whether you're a day trader or someone who prefers to hold assets, the platform's versatility makes it an excellent choice. Don't forget to explore their educational resources, which can help you enhance your trading knowledge. To get started with Mercado Bitcoin, use the special link in the description. It offers a bonus for new users to kickstart your crypto journey. Remember, crypto investments carry risks, so always trade responsibly and diversify your portfolio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more crypto tutorials and updates.